That's better. Let's add some white. That's pretty close. It's pretty close. I think I'll go with that. See how that looks when I lay it down. I need some on the top of his head. Now, the wonderful thing with a flat brush is that you can use it flat, or you can use the chisel edge. It's hard to see on a little tiny brush like that, but you can still use it that way. I'll show you the larger one. You can use it flat, or you can use the chisel edge, or you can just use the corner and almost draw with it. So a flat brush is really your friend. So I'm flattening it out, and I'm going to take the chisel edge and just kind of make tiny, tiny little feathery strokes there, kind of overlapping that dark area. Okay, work in here. This is a bit darker blue here. It's quite dark right in here. I think that's some feathers from his chest. The side of his chest are flipping up, covering up the back of his neck. So it's going to be darker back here. Okay. It's taken a while, I know. I knew it would. All right, now I'm going to go into some straight white. See if I can't brighten up this top of his eyebrow here. What I'm going to call the eyebrow. There we go. I have to get it right now because I can't add too much more on here. It's just going to be a chunky mess. And some white. Turning it onto its chisel edge and chopping in. Okay. I'm going to clean up his eye a little bit. It looks a little small. And I've lost some of the oval shape of it. So, where's my dark? Phthalo blue, naphthol red, maybe a touch of burnt umber. Can you hear my husband's phone call? He is so loud. You know, I probably could have put some black out on my palette. Oh, you know what? My grandkids are calling. I'll be right back. Okay, well, I'm back. This is taking a lot longer than I thought, so let me go ahead and do one more little thing and talk a little bit, and then I'm going to stop and I will continue the rest of it in a second video. I'm going to add a little bit of light color here to the top of the beak. The feathers actually go onto the top of the beak. And then this one's crest is laying down. To make it look more like the jay we're used to, I'm going to raise it slightly. And I don't know that I'll do that now, but that's my plan. So let me come here with a bit of, and I'm also, my paint's drying up because I was on the phone for quite a while. So let me just come in here using the chisel edge of the brush. Oops, it's too dark. Chisel edge of the brush. I'm going to make these kind of, tiny little straight strokes. Okay. I'm going to stop for now, and I will come back, add a crest, work on the chest. This might be a three-part video. The chest, the crest, the tail, and the branches. So, bye for now. Thanks for joining me.